In this video, you are going to learn how to make cookies and cream cake. So the first thing you are going to do is to add in your margarine or your butter inside your bowl. Then you are going to add in your sugar. Then you are just going to cream your sugar and your butter till it is fluffy. Now once it is creamy and fluffy, you are just going to start adding your eggs one by one or batch by batch. Then once you add the first batch, you are going to mix it till you add the last batch. In another bowl, you are going to add in all your dry ingredients together. You are going to mix all your dry ingredients together. Now the next thing you are going to do is to add in your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients. So what you are just going to be doing is you are going to add in a little amount of dry ingredients. Then once you mix that or stir that together or fold that in, you are going to add in your sour cream or your sour cream. Then you add in your milk to it. Just follow the steps in the video. Then you're just going to add that. Then you are going to fold it in. Then add in another batch of your flour. So you're just going to repeat these steps till you are done with all the wet ingredients, which is the milk and the sour cream. Now the next thing you are going to do is to add in your crushed Oreos to your batter. Then you are going to fold it in. Place in a pan, then you are going to bake it for at least an hour or 50 minutes on medium low heat. I baked mine for 180 degrees Celsius on 180 degrees Celsius for an hour. So if your oven doesn't have a thermometer, or if it doesn't have a temperature uh controller, what do I call it now, you can just bake it on low heat or medium heat for at least an hour. So I'm just going to add in some Oreos as toppings. This is optional. Now after baking, this is what we have.